Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve a Harvard University entrance exam questions like x square minus y square is equal to 36, and also x and y should be real natural number. Then what should be the value of x and y? So let's start the solution. So for this we can break that 36 into several parts, like 36 into 1, or maybe 1 into 36, or we can express that 36 is equal to 18 into 2, or 2 into 18, or maybe 36 can be expressed as 12 cross 3, or 3 cross 12, or we can express as 9 cross 4, or 4 cross 9, or 6 cross 6. So we are getting like this value if we expect the 36. Okay, so we can get the 36 like 36 into 1. Now if we check, if we express that x, we know x square minus y square is equal to x plus y dot x minus y. For every natural number, it should follow x plus y greater than x minus y. For any natural numbers of x and y, that should be maintained, that x plus y should be always greater than x minus y. So if we consider this scenario that x plus y should be greater than x minus y, then that will be okay, but this value will be cancelled out. Here x plus y is greater than this x minus y, so this is maintained, but that will be cross, that will not follow. Same here, that will be maintained, but this will not follow, because here x plus y is not greater than x minus y. Similarly it will be followed, but that will be not followed. And also here x plus y not equals to x plus y, x minus y, so that will be also cancelled. So we got 4 cases. Case 1, where x plus y dot x minus y equals to 36 into 1. Similarly for case 2, x plus y into x minus y, we got 18 cross 2. For case 3, you can write x plus y into x minus y equals to 12 cross 3, that is 12 into 3. And for case 4, x plus y into x minus y, we have to take this one, 9 into 4. Now we are going to take the case 1. Case 1, where x plus y into x minus y is equal to 36 into 1. Now we compare x plus y as 36 and x minus y as 1, then it should be x plus y is equal to 36 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now if we add this will cancel out. We get 2x is equal to 37, then x is equal to 37 by 2. So this is a fractional number, not a real number. So not real number, as not real number, so it is rejected. Same for case 2. Here we got x plus y equals x plus y into x minus y as 18 cos 2. So we can write x plus y is equal to 18 and x minus y is equal to 2. So if we add, this will cancel out. We get 2x is equal to 20. So therefore x is equal to 20 by 2. If we cancel out that one, then x is equal to 10. Now we got x plus y is equal to 18. If we put the value of x here, so 10 plus y is equal to 18. So if we move this to the right hand side, then it should be 18 minus 10. So y should be 8. So we get those two values of x and y. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 8. Now we move to the case 3, where x plus y into x minus y equals to 12 cross 3. Now if we compare both sides, then x plus y should be 12 and x minus y should be 3. If we add this will cancel out. We get 2x is equal to 15. Therefore x is equal to 15 by 2. Now this is a fractional number. This is not a real number. So it will be also rejected. Now for case 4, where we got x plus y equal into x minus y equals to 9 into 4. Now if we compare this x plus y to 9 and x minus y to 4, then we get x plus y is equal to 9 and x minus y is equal to 4. So if we add this to one, then we get 2x is equal to 13. Therefore x is equal to 13 by 2. So again, this is not a real number. Rejected. So we get only the value of x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 8. So this is two real number we get as a solution of x and y. Now check, verifying. We got the equation x square minus y square is equal to 36. So we are going to prove this. So we are putting the value of x and y, that x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 8. 10 square means 100 and 8 square means 64. We get 36. So it's verified. So we find out the value of x and y. So I hope you understand the explanation as well as the solution. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.